It's just the way the industry is. Okay. So Rahul says, thanks for sharing the info on Sunday class. Could you please tell me what time it is? Yeah, Rahul. So as I said, if you go to YouTube, I already have the thumbnail up there and it'll tell you what it is in your local time, and you click on the notify and YouTube will send you a notice when the class is starting. But it's going to be 1500 GMT, which is the same time as this stream starts. You know, I think that's a time that's accessible for most people. If you're late, that's okay. These, last Sunday we went for almost 3 hours. So even if you can't make it during the first hour, come on in during the second hour, right? We're likely to still be going. I don't know if we're going to go 3 hours this time, but certainly we're probably going to go into 2 hours. So, come back, or, if you have to leave and then you come back, you're certainly welcome to do that. And then the recording is up on YouTube. I always save the recordings. So if anybody on the chat right now wants to go check out the class from last Sunday, you can see my teaching style and the materials that we went over. So that was last Sunday, July 21st, that you can look that up. But yeah, feel free to come. It's 1500 GMT on Sunday. Syed says, I missed the first class of ISLP, but covered it later. Hopefully we'll join it live on Sunday. Well, wonderful. Would love to have you guys. Feel free to come and join. Now, I will say that sometimes people find it more convenient to join on YouTube rather than Instagram, because on YouTube you can get the widescreen view. Instagram isn't always great for that, because I do show materials up on the screen. I do show code. So feel free to come for that, or feel free to join on YouTube. I just think it's a better format.